Yo guys, hello, what's up? I just wanted to make a quick video talking about the recent news post on RuneScape's main page called Bot Busting Update Legal Proceedings. Now if you guys want to read the full thread, I'll have a link in the description so you guys can go check it out there and read it all. But in this video, I'm just going to briefly explain to you guys on what was written on there and what I think about the situation. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. So for the most part, RuneScape's basically, or Jagex, whatever, is basically talking about, the other percent of bots that haven't been removed from game, and more about taking legal proceedings in the bots. So the first thing they were talking about is suing other bot companies. Now, when the bot nuke update happened, it cleared out most of the bots in the game, but there was one particular bot that didn't get affected, and this was called the iBot. Now the iBot, what it does is actually goes by color in game. It moves throughout the color in games, which means if there's like a tree, it will sense the color of the tree and click it like that through Java. Kind of complicated. I really don't know much about it, but that's what I read on here. But they continued to use bots after the bot nuke update, and Jagex has sent them multiple warnings on to stop this behavior and etc. But they disagreed, and now Jagex has confirmed that they are suing iBot, and they said the trial will be currently scheduled for mid 2012. Now I'm not sure if this is true or not, but this is what it says on the thread. Also, they were talking about Jagex suing its own players like me, you, or others. Now this isn't like, I don't think this is true, but who knows. But the people they're trying to sue are players that constantly bot after they've been banned on another account, warned multiple times, and they think this is good because it should stop the botting cause from other people, I guess. And I'm not sure if this is trying to just scare people to not bot or what it is, but I really think this is kind of a little over for a game, suing people for breaking the rules in the game. But I mean, I do like their idea, and I do like what they're trying to do, to get RuneScape back to normal. So that's one thing I wasn't too sure of, but I really didn't know how to respond to it. Another thing I wanted to talk about was also on this thread. What happened to RSBuddy? Now, if you guys don't know what RSBuddy is formerly was #1 botting website for RuneScape, and the owner of RSBuddy recently said that he won't be creating any more bots, and he has acknowledged all the harm he's made from his bots on RuneScape, and they're actually turning into a RuneScape fan site now. And I guess the owner of RSBuddy and Jagex, they've probably chatted a few times and talked over a deal or something. But what do you guys think about this? What do you guys think about RSBuddy becoming a RuneScape fan site? How do you think the transition will go? I did check out the RSBuddy forums about like 5 minutes ago, and when they did have botting softwares up there, which is about, I don't know, a week ago when I checked it, they had so many active members. They had over like 2,000, 1,000 active members, and I recently just checked it, and now it has 100 active members. So they lost so much, but I'm really happy for what the owner of RSBuddy did. He actually, thought about the game, and he stopped doing, the harm. And himself, I've seen an interview of him, and he actually loves RuneScape. Basically talked about why he, made the botting website and stuff like that. Seems like a really good guy. If you guys want to also check out the interview, I'll have a link in the description. It's pretty interesting, so you guys should go check that out. Now, in conclusion, Jagex was basically saying they're gonna be against botting forever, which I'm happy about, and they seem really confident about keeping the bots away, keeping the gold farmers away, and making all the players go with the rules. And I really like this. I thought this day would never come, but they're actually trying now to make the gameplay better for everyone, make it more fair for everyone. So I'm really happy about this update. And yeah, I have a few questions to ask you guys, where you guys can discuss it in the comments below. As I said about the RSBuddy, what do you guys think about the transition from #1 botting site to a RuneScape fan site? let me know in the comments. And also, what do you guys think about suing Jagex taking legal action on botting companies, and also Jagex saying they're gonna sue players that continue botting or continue breaking the rules of RuneScape? What do you guys think about that? Let me know in the comments below. And I do read all my comments. I know I don't reply to like any of them, but literally I come home from school and I just sit down and click view all comments, and I do read through all of them. So yeah, leave me a comment below and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.